Hello everyone. Here's a new video unboxing, and it's pretty early. I was supposed to do an unboxing next week, but this came a little bit early, so let's get the unboxing done. Here's the box, and my apologies for the wait, hold on. Okay. So my apologies for this box. The shipper ran out of boxes, so we might have to use this doll box. So let's get this unboxing started. This might be short. Wow, it's in there pretty good. Alright. Here it is. Wow, it's very smaller than usual. This is by High Truck. I believe this is a Chinese manufacturer, I believe. Yeah, so let's open up this box. I got this from Amazon. Just trying to see, what's the quality of this model is. For 1/50th scale, the excavator looks like the cab. It looks a bit small, but I'm not too worried about it. Let me just get this tape off of here. This model is more of a toy than a model itself. How many pieces of tape is holding this together? My God. This gonna be a raw footage. I'm not gonna edit everything out. Okay. Here's the model. Oh boy. Is it holding together? No. Oh God, plastic tracks. Oh boy. Alright, so here's the model. The cylinders is really stiff. And is this blurry? Are you serious right now? This is a new camera, guys, so I'm not pretty used to it. See, it gets all blurry. Let me see. Alright, now I can see. Alright, so here's the rear of it, if you can see it. It's like, again, it's pretty much a toy for like kids. It's kind of like the ERTL models. Well, it is like a collector's model, but this is clearly a Caterpillar by the looks of this thing right here. It says High Truck, which I believe is a Chinese company. I don't know. I have to research them. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the excavator. The cylinders are really stiff. The digging depth is pretty good. Pretty good for a model, I should say. I'm not gonna call this a toy. This is a model. So it's pretty good. The downside about it is that this is rubber tracks. So it's okay. I mean, I know a couple ERTL models, which I have up there, has rubber tracks. So it's not that bad. I can deal with it. Some people don't like rubber tracks, but me, I can deal with it. I mean, I get used to it, because I do have an excavator model that has rubber tracks. Yeah. So this excavator looks pretty small. I thought it's gonna be bigger, but for like 1.5 pound. I guess this is what you get. So, alright, so here's the excavator. There's gonna be another unboxing next week, and that's gonna be the last unboxing until April, because my family is currently moving to a new place, so I had to save up some money, you know, to help them out. So yeah, we're not gonna see this floor or whatever anymore. You're gonna see something else. So this is probably the second to last video. You're gonna see this apartment before we move to another place, which is still be in the neighborhood, but you know, still. Yeah, so here's the unboxing video of this 1/50th scale Caterpillar excavator, which is called High Truck. But yeah, so this is a very excellent model. So good job, High Truck. So I'll see you guys next time with a new update, new unboxing. Sorry about that. So alright, see you guys next time. Peace out. Oops.